Today, I'm going to show you how you can create 10 different ads on Pinterest using only one landing page. So all of the 10 ads will have different messages, but they all land on the same page. So we are going to use the Chat GPT and then Canva and then Pinterest. It sounds like a lot of work, but I'm going to show you how you can do that in a very easy and organized way. So let's get started. Wonderful. So like I said, first step is Chat GPT. So you go to your account and you type 10 ways to say, this is just an example. I'm not saying for you specifically type exactly like this, but you can use ChatGPT for free, so you can play around with words and the way that you type anyways, and you can always regenerate the results that ChatGPT provided, so it's not really an issue. Okay, 10 ways to say, find out how much your home is worth instantly. Okay, 10 ways to say, find out how much your home is worth instantly. Enter. So now ChatGPT is doing its work. Perfect. Now we have 10 ways to say that, and now we're going to open an Excel sheet, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these results. Here is my Excel sheet. So first I'm going to add in here title, and I'm going to paste. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in here company, and let's say your company is XYZ Realty, or instead of company you can type here website, and then you type your website here, and you are going to just drag and it will copy everything else. You click on file and you're going to save this onto your computer, and we'll go to the next step. So you open your Canva account, and to create this that I'm going to show you, you do not need to pay for their subscription. You can use their free option. So you're going to search Pinterest pin, and from here you can very easily use one of their templates, but I would like to start from scratch. So from here you can very easily again use their the templates that they provide, and actually this is an interesting one. I was going to create something similar to this, so I'm going to click on it to use. It's a free one. I'm going to click on photos, and I'm going to search house, and let's say, do I want to use this? Sure, that looks nice. So you can always try to use the picture of a house that looks similar to where you live. From here, I'm gonna change the color of the background. I don't love that, so white is perfect. And I'm going to change this to black. And this to black as well. I will probably not use that anyways, but still, this is just an element that they added in here, white as well. So here you don't have to keep that in there, but I will show you at the end what it will look like. So here I'm gonna type, just for me to know, title and company. So from here you're going to click on apps, and you're going to search bulk create. I'm not going to search that because I already have in here on the left because I used recently, so I click in there. Then I'm going to use upload CSV file, which is the one that we saved a moment ago. Make sure that you save as CSV file, otherwise it will not allow you to upload anything. At least I have tried before and it didn't allow me to upload. Anyways, so from here we have two data fields identified. We have the title and the company. Remember, these were two columns that we created on that Excel sheet. So on here under title, right click, and I'm going to click on connect data, and over there I want Canva to apply my title. So I'm going to click on title. Then there's company. I'm going to right click on company, connect data, and I'm going to select company. Perfect. Everything looks perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on continue, and I can see that all of my titles are selected. For whatever reason, if you don't want one or two of the titles, you can always unselect, but I want to generate 10 pages. And here we have it. So what did Canva do? Canva simply placed all of the titles and all of the company name in the places that I told it to do so. Page number 1 has the first title, page number 2, 3, 4. So obviously some of these look not nice, as you can see, but from here you simply need to select the smaller in a way that it will fit nicely to the design. But basically you can simply see the idea that this can create so much for you. Obviously the hello word does not look nice in there. However, I left it in there on purpose. Canva would apply the hello and everything else exactly in every single design. The only thing that changes is really the title, and this you don't see any changes because it's always the company's name. So from here we are going to Pinterest. So once you log in your Pinterest account, again, you do not need to pay for any subscription, anything. You can do this all for free. So once logged in, you click on saved. And let's pretend that I do not have any boards created at all. So please ignore what you see right now, but I'm going to tell you here the idea. So what you're going to do is you are going to click on this plus button and you're going to click on board. You are going to create a board that has something to do with real estate. For example, a board called accent wall designs, a board called bathroom decorating ideas, bathroom accent wall, beach houses, bedroom decorating ideas, dream home, etc., etc. So let's say 10 different boards with something that is related to real estate. So once you start adding things to adding pins to those boards, you are going to add these ads that we just created today among those images. So what I'm going to show you for as an example, accent wall design, and let's say that all of these pins belong to your blog. So if you don't have a blog, that's fine, but if you do, you can always use that strategy as well. Let's say that each image has a link that takes people to your blog. So no matter where they click, they always land on your blog. So you are going to click on organize, and let's say that, just an example, let's say that this is your ad, the one that we just created as an example. So instead of you keeping it over here, you can simply drag and keep it, excuse me, as the first one, or pretending that it's a real ad, a paid one, you can always somehow put in the middle. So everything in this case is going to be about bathrooms, but you can always add one of those ads that we just created in here. It will always look like a paid ad. However, all of this stuff will bring people to your blog, to your website. So here is the thing. People go to Pinterest to look for inspiration. So imagine 10 boards. Hopefully those 10 boards have pins in there, that those pins will take people to your blog if you have a blog. A lot of real estate professionals enjoy doing the blogs, and there's a lot of good things about having a blog. The same idea as an article. So blog or article to me is almost the same idea. And so you can always have the pins with the link behind that takes people to your blog. But for this specific idea is you are going to always use the link that will take people to your landing page, so to your lead capture page. Hopefully you have one. There's a ton of websites out there that provide you with a very easy landing page that you can create, even a branded landing page, so you can always use that. So it is important to have the link behind your pin. So of course, the design of the pin today was a little bit quick because I wanted to show the idea. The video was not about creating a nice design. It was really to show you what you can do using ChatGPT, then Canva, using the bulk create app, and then place that on Pinterest. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you would like to receive more content just like this one, creative ideas, new strategies, and things that you can apply to your real estate business, please make sure that you subscribe and you hit the bell to receive a notification every time that I post a new video. You'll be the first one receiving the video. So I will see you next time. Bye bye.